and welcome back to Cooking with Kid Troy. I got something special to tell y'all. So on June 3rd, that was my first ever anniversary of my cooking show. And I want this to be a very special treat for y'all. So get ready because this will be a New York style cheesecake. Let's get started. First, we're gonna make the graham cracker crust. So just put them in the bowl. Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Struggling, ain't you? All right, now cut it on one.
Probably.
Whoa! I said, wait, God dang it! So we had a little incident with the mixer over here. Apparently, it likes to sling graham crackers. So I'm gonna just break them up by hand, making a nice graham cracker crust. And here we go. Take all these fine big pieces and make them into small pieces. And that's about all you want right there.
Yeah, that's gonna go on the blooper.
You could use it on a RoboCool. You could use a blender, but a blender would take too long. You can do it by hand like I just did.
Which won't take too long and won't make a mess. What the blender did over there.
Actually, the mixer did it. The blender would probably.
Oh, that's a blender, but that's a mixer.
Yep. There we go. Find all the big pieces. Break those up by hand. It may take a little longer, but it's fine. Now we add sugar and butter, and there's your crust. And we're gonna lay it at the bottom of the pan. Got it? See that? See how that looks? That's about how you want it.
So now we're gonna add the sugar. I'm gonna do it by hand. Yeah, get the sugar in there. Yeah, get the sugar. Yeah. Now we add melted butter.
All right, mix it.
Oh, it's kind of hot.
Is it still hot?
Yes.
Good.
Hey! Dad, do you want to...
I ain't gonna burn you, buddy.
Okay.
Oh, mix it like I showed you.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Get in the butter. Get in butter. Oh, God. Make sure I don't touch it when you're pouring because it's hot, super duper hot.
Is it still that hot? It's not that hot.
Yes, when you start to
All
pour.
right, keep mixing. You'll be all right. Don't call Child Protective Services.
I don't even know that, Dad. So why did you have to say that?
Yeah, good.
Now that this done, let's put it in our springform pan. Let's get a whole bunch. Put it in here. Put it in here. Put it in here.
All right, flatten it out.
Is that enough? Okay, let me fill that side. Okay, flatten. Now we're gonna beat the cream cheese.
It's tight, isn't it?
One right? Is that right?
Yep.
That
Do it
looks-
on two. Do it on two.
Oh my God.
Do it on three.
Why?
Oh, no. You're not on two yet. Go on two.
Well, I'm not.
There you
Oh.
go.
Now we add a half stick of butter. Now we gradually add a cup of sugar. One egg at a time.
Good job, buddy. Put that last egg in there.
Add this last one. And there we go.
And beat it. Beat it. Beat it good. Beat it good. Straight down the bowl and beat the mix.
Okay. Now we're gonna pour the batter into the pan. Into the pan.
It's a little lumpy. I didn't scrape it down right. That's fine. It'll bake out.
Into the pan. Into the pan. Pan, 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 pan. Pan, pan, pan,
There we
pan,
go.
pan, pan, pan.
Look at all that gelatinous goodness.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
That looks like Jello, but a lot different. It's icing. Well, actually batter icing. And yeah.
And you slide that bad boy into the oven, 375 degrees for approximately 50 minutes.
Which will take long. So see you guys in a little bit. Yep, see you guys in a little bit. Afterwards we put it in the oven. So we took the cheesecake out of the oven. Now we're gonna let it cool for 1 hour and then refrigerate it. We refrigerate it overnight to let it settle and cool.
Break away the cheesecake from the edges like this. Go all the way around.
Dad, I got a question for you.
What's up?
Why is it so deep down?
It settled and the heat, once the heat dissipated, it concaved in on itself. All right, so now you hit this spring right here. It's a spring form pan. Let it loose. And ta-da! There's your cheesecake. And there's the crust we made right there. See that thick crust?
Yep.
Looks good.
Yes, you can decorate it with berries, topping,
Caramel,
caramel,
some type of icing or glaze, fruit compote, a whole bunch of stuff.
even whipped cream.
Yep.
So here's our New York style cheesecake. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comments below and smash that like button. I'll see you all next time. Bye.